What's up guys, it's AJ with LG Billet USA, and in today's video we're going to be talking about our latest product on the lineup, which is a billet oil cap for your LS engine. I'm sure you guys might be curious as to why we chose to release this product, so let's go ahead and dive in. First off, the LS platform has a history of longevity, reliability, and sheer performance, which makes it a great candidate for an engine swap. On top of being one of the best platforms for engine swaps, the overall simplicity and design of the engine itself will complement our billet oil cap. Another thing is these factory oil caps are made out of plastic on the LS engine. Now, heat and plastic don't mix, and over time they're gonna fade and look terrible. As an added bonus, this will be available to our NBS customers and anybody who has LS swapped your C10, square body, OBS, what have you. Also, remember, this is only for a single tab oil fill neck. If you have a dual tab, you'll have to wait a little bit. We will be coming out with another product, but for now we only have the billet single tab oil fill cap. Guys, you don't even need tools to install this. It's just like any other oil cap. Simply unscrew the cap, line up the tab on the new one, and screw it back in. And that's all it takes, guys. Be sure to take photos of your Billet LS oil cap installed on your engine and tag us at LG Billet USA. Also, let us know what other NBS and OBS products you guys would like to see. I'll see you down in the comments. Later.